Once upon a time, in a small village nestled in the hills, there was a community of people who loved to cook and eat delicious food. Every year, they would hold a grand feast to celebrate their harvest, and the centerpiece of the feast was always a rotisserie pig. The villagers would carefully select the finest pig from the local farm, and then spend hours preparing it for the rotisserie. They would season it with a special blend of herbs and spices, and then slowly roast it over an open flame until it was crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. As the pig cooked, the aroma would waft through the village, enticing everyone to come and join in the festivities. The villagers would gather around the rotisserie, chatting and laughing as they watched the pig turn slowly, basting it with juices to keep it moist and tender. Finally, when the pig was fully cooked, the villagers would carefully carve it into succulent slices and serve it alongside other delicious dishes like roasted vegetables, fresh bread, and homemade pies. The feast was always a huge success, and everyone in the village looked forward to it every year. They knew that the rotisserie pig was a symbol of their community's love of good food, and that it brought them all together in a spirit of celebration and joy. And so, the tradition of the rotisserie pig continued for many years, passed down from generation to generation, as a cherished part of the village's history and culture. Whenever anyone tasted the delicious, crispy meat of the rotisserie pig, they were reminded of the love and community that had brought it into being.